we just lie tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Friday. Okay, guys, so right now I have my Boxycharm for February, and I'm so excited to open it. I cannot wait because there were people saying that there should be this guaranteed in the box. So I'm trying to see if that's true or not. But before we do all of that, because I have the Boxycharm and then I also have my add-ons in case it wasn't true. So before we do that, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have a Valentine's Day giveaway going on. It's over on the 28th, so don't miss it. Also, I have the the jewelry giveaway, the earrings giving away as well, and we have merch. Guys, don't forget to get your Sweetie Squad merch. People are loving it. People are saying they're falling asleep in it. And I love that. I love that it's so comfy and cozy for you guys. And please make sure you follow me on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100. Let's get into this video. Okay. So, I want to open the add-on first. Because if it's in there, then I'll have extra, which is fine by me. So let's open the add-on first, and then we'll get into Boxycharm. If you guys do not know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service, and you get 5 full-size products, I was going to say samples, in your box. I love Boxycharm so much. I used to be against them, and I fell in love with them in the last 2 years, and I love them. I really do. They go through ups and downs, but remember, you're always getting full size. All right. Did I say how much it was? $25. That's what I meant to say. Okay, so we have the brushes. I was told that, dang, that's blending in. I was told that every Boxycharm base box was supposed to receive these heart brushes. So comment down below right now before we get into my box. Is it true? Is it not true? Did everybody receive their heart brushes? Because I just could not pass up this opportunity. How freaking cute they were. They went definitely... I was going to say Halloween, yeah. Valentine's Day themed. Okay, let's just open it like this. So it's by Glamere. I've never heard of it, but I love the case. So cute. And these are the brushes. So you get 4 brushes, and they have floating hearts in the handles. And that is just so cute. They're not the best of brushes, but I mean, come on. It's the, I'm a packaging whore. So there you go. All right. So, and they're aesthetically pleasing. I also got a primer. I had no idea it was going to be this freaking small. So, I don't know how much I paid for this, but wow, I had no idea. This is the Pero Primo Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Paste. I thought I'd try it because, as you guys know, I only use Fenty eye primer, and I was getting low. So, I was like, $18 versus $4. Let's go with the $4. So, it's relatively heavy. Now, I'll tell you another thing. I did do an add-on. I cannot remember the other thing I added on, but I added on this beautiful glow spray. It's beautiful glow spray. I added it on. So if I get it in my box, I'm going to be a little peeved. But hey, it doesn't hurt to have extra. So let's go ahead and pull out the first thing. Let's feel it to see if I feel what I bought. No. Okay. So this is by Tula, and this is the Probiotic So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. So this is great. I honestly don't have blackheads. I don't know if it's my age or what. I know my teenage years I did. So this is actually going to be really good for my son. He does have blackheads, so this will be really good for him. So that is our first product. Next, we have Scent Luxe Limited Edition Liner Duo. You guys know how I feel about my lip liners. I can't live without them. So let's see what colors I got. So I got this beautiful like brown kind of color. Ooh. And this color. Okay, so they say they're lip liners, but this is way too dark for me. This would be a good eyeliner, honestly. But yeah, that is way too dark for me. Great, I just smeared it. Gotta love that. But this color will work. That color's pretty. So, and it says these are limited edition. Fancy. Okay. Let's see here. Why don't you want to go back in? Like that or something? Whatever. Okay. Next. Oh, shit. So, I guess it's the truth. It is, did everybody receive these brushes? Hey, it was only $6 if you did, to add it on, which is cute. So I have 2 of these now, which one of them obviously I can put in a giveaway for somebody. So this is actually really cool. I'm glad that I got 2 of them. All right, 2 more products. So we have the Brow Bar by Renna, the Brow Bombshell Brow Kit. Did I choose this? I don't remember if I chose this or not. I know I probably wouldn't have because I don't. That's okay. Break it before you use it. That's my motto. Okay. The freak. This is so fancy. Oh, wow. We push and we pop. Oh, this is a real brow. So, I don't use powders. I don't. However, I love a new tweezer. Nice little tweezers. Little gold tweezers. This is fancy. This is so cute, honestly. I wonder if this is pigmented. Ooh. Ooh, that is pigmented. Okay, we pigmented. So, this is really nice. Came with a pack. This is fancy. I can't wait to see how much this values for. But is it something that I needed? No, I really didn't. But hey, that's okay. Okay, trying to put this back in is hell. Oh, I opened it. Okay, and my last product. Oh no. Oh no. I think I saw a TikTok on this. This is the Tristique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. And I think this is the one where they said that it is so small. Oh. Flip down to curl. Flip, flip, flip. Oh, okay, like this. To curl your lashes. So I don't curl my lashes, honestly. I don't. This is actually really, I'm very impressed by this. You know what I mean? Like this is a 2-in-1. I've never seen this. So you basically flip this down to curl your lashes. I don't curl my lashes. I had a bad experience when I was like 19. I pinched them, never again. And then this right here is your mascara underneath, which is a decent kind of wand. Let's see. Oh, this is kind of, yeah, this is not working. Sorry about that. That was my brother. So yeah, this is actually really cool. I'm not gonna lie, this is cool. If I did my lashes, it'd be one thing. But I am excited to try this mascara. Definitely give it a whirl. And then I always, always, always love a new black liner pencil. I'm not sure if this is waterproof. Line Sharpen Smudge Eye Pencil. So I'm excited to try this. I really am. Tristique is a really good brand. And I heard that this was, like people were making fun of how small the little thing was for your lashes, but I'm not going to use it. So, all right. So this was a very good variety box. Let's now total me up and see how much everything was worth. So the Brow Bar, Miss Fancy Pants over here, is $40. Okay. The Tula Skincare, the Pores, this is $32. $40 and $32. This Tristique Mascara Lip and Liner Duo is $44. Yeah. Whoa! They're saying that these brushes are $29.95. Holy crap. $29.95. I would have thought like $15. Like, seriously. And the St. Luxe lip liner, $40. Okay. Boxycharm. Let's just cut through the crud cake, okay? I don't believe that stuff is worth that. I mean, maybe in your eyeballs, but I don't think in reality it's worth that much. Like, seriously? That means each one of these lip liners is $20. Okay, freak-a-dick-a-dick. Ciate London. Is it Ciate London? I think. I hope. Pure. Thank you. My Pure lip liner is only $18. Okay? And it's a really good liner. Like, bomb. It comes even with a sharpener inside. So, that's worth, I would spend $25 for. But $40 for 2 liners? I don't think so. I don't know. This was a good box. I'm not mad at it, honestly. But I just had to just like, are you really sure about the prices? Are you sure? So comment down below. Are you excited with your Boxycharm? Did you even get January's Boxycharm? Because I get that a lot. Samantha, I haven't even gotten January's yet. I haven't even got December's. So let me know if you got yours. I just want to thank everybody for the amazing congratulations on my new job. Yay! I'm so happy. I've waited for a moment like this to say I work at a doctor's office. It means the world to me. And the money, I've never... well, we're not gonna, but I've never been able to make this much before. So this is amazing, especially at 33 years old. And you guys know I have my new relationship and just amazing things. Like, yes, 2021, let's keep going. But anyways, guys, I will see you on my next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. I love you guys so much. Bye.